You've got to be pretty tired of waking up like this. That's right, it's me. But you thought you took me out. Well, nobody gets away from the topic, Glenn. As soon as we got into orbit, I made sure to go down and capture you. Now, enjoy your stay. Huh?
Wait.
Be advised, Henry's escaped. He's on his way towards the main cabin now, coming from Wing 7. There he is. He's locked himself in Armory 7.
Who left this open?
Guys, what have I said? Always lock the armory after you're done.
Guys, we have
Guys, we have to keep it.
I need an update on that Henry situation.
He's got one of our guns! He's after us like crazy, we can't stop him!
Do I gotta do everything around here? Hello? You should have stayed in your cell. Oh, now that's cute. That's not gonna help you. Impressive, but that's not gonna... There you are.
Chief, we lost a solar panel.
Yeah, I know. I'm dealing with it.
Okay. Don't even get snippy about it.
Where'd he go?
Yeah, it's me again. We're picking up a data stream from our broadcasting satellite.
You don't say.
Yeah, it just keeps saying attack, 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 fire, shoot the laser. Oh, hang on.
It just stopped. station, Earth.
Hey, sir. Sorry to bother you. One of our offsite drop pods is on a direct collision course with the station.
3, 2, 1, get out of there.
He took out our central core. We don't have any power. Can't really get down to Earth without it. So we're kind of just stuck. Who was that guy anyway? Why'd you grab him?
Good evening. The Toppat clan continues to remain untouched by the governments of the world. Their rocket launch earlier this week has placed the space station in a stable orbit around the globe. The station has plenty of room to store all the clan's members as well as the stolen valuables. Among these valuables is the priceless Norwegian emerald stolen from the Queen of Norway's chambers just last year. The Toppat clan are also thought to be the ones responsible for the theft of the Romanian ruby and the Tunisian diamond. The orbital station allows the Toppat clan to easily raid any place on Earth.
Hey, Chief. Our satellites have picked up a hostile object.
Oh no, is it the government? Did they send a destroyer after us?
No.
Well, just shoot it down. Status report.
Huh? Oh, yeah. We completely missed, and they're on the ship now. Completely missed. We spent so much money on that. No! 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 Wanna be coming in fast. Huh?
Oh, no, you don't. Hey, Reg. Yeah, I found that intruder.
Excellent work. I knew I could count on you.
Hang on a minute.
This is the guy that stole our ruby. Now he's trying to steal our emerald.
That guy? You better take care of him.
With pleasure.
One sec.
Rado.
Right-hand man, what happened? What's going on?
Breach in Orion Lounge. Find him! We can't let him get away with this again, not twice!
Hey, Chief, we spotted him outside.
Get him! Stop him! Fire Supreme Dominance, now! Whoa. Okay. Charging up Supreme Dominance for you.
Well, time to go.
Not you!
Curse you!
Breaking news. The Topet orbital station has been completely destroyed. We are unsure of the exact details at the moment. Several escape pods have been seen entering the atmosphere. The Topet Chief's escape pod was found, but there is nobody inside. Government forces state they do not know whether he survived.